Okay. We're trying to unbox. It's got these giant staples.
Oh, those are big staples.
Where's your staples mover at, bug? When you need it. These are some big staples. I would hate to step on one of those staples. I don't know what those elves were thinking for you when they put staples and tape in this box.
Maybe they want to make sure somebody couldn't carry it out in their purse or something.
I don't know what it's at.
Okay, got it.
Oh, I already forgot.
Here is some different staples.
I want some. Giant staples. Hey, those are new. Those are new.
Here, take it. It looks like there's another. Take this.
Hey, it looks like it's as big as me.
Hades, can you get on that other side? This, right here, bug, look up. See this box here? That's what we're trying to get out.
Okay. Ooh. Ow! I stabbed myself. Hey, ow, staple! It hurts. Keep trying to leave it in the box. To pull it out, you keep stabbing me with the giant hand.
Got it. Okay. Bug, I need you to move. I need you boys to help me lower this sucker. Okay. So the truck
Bring it around town.
is in here.
Yeah, let's check it out.
Bring it around town.
But I don't know
No, no,
how to get
hey,
anything out.
Cut it along the top.
Okay, you're gonna have to move.
Hey, pull out the chainsaw. What chainsaw?
You're gonna need some pretty good scissors.
Okay, I don't. You're gonna kill yourself. Stop.
That's a saw. Yeah. This is for my brother. We got that off. But that won't work. That won't work, bud. I just thought that would work a lot quicker. That won't work. What do you think?
monster truck looks like.
Get into your wheel. Monster truck, beep. Do the hard. That's only like. We only have 2 wheels, it looks like. I think they showed us his
Actually comes with the screwdrivers
I
and the
think they
wrench
showed us
needed.
out on wheels.
Okay. And the charger. So that is a big charger.
Come inside.
But installing the tires, in case you lose the stickers or somebody pulls them off, the difference of these are this pattern here. This is the rear, and that sticks up a little more is the front. Okay, here's the rear axle. We will now put on the rear wheel. All right, so this fits on there like preschool blocks. Just slides right in, that stop sign shape there. Is that a hexagon?
Yeah.
All right, so, and then we put the rod through. Keep jiggling around. There you go, that comes through. Fits there. Now we need to get the... That's correct. Again, it just fits right on the hexagon pattern and slides in.
Okay.
Then we put this bolt. Okay, so if when you put the tire on, there isn't enough thread, just take one of the screwdrivers and push on the other side. Should slide out enough. Then you just take this nut here. Actually, give me that little tube. That's what that's for. Get it. Take this. Take this tube. Put the nut in the tube. Slide it into there. And turn it. Now, that's why there's 2 of these. We're going to need the screwdriver
They're both the same.
and the other one. Now, match it up so it fits right. And then just hold yours in place, and I'll turn it over here. You got tension on that side?
Yeah. It's turning in my hand.
Okay, that's good. So you want to remove this. And then when you move this into place, you want to put this little tab here on the steering bar. And then line those 2 holes up. Put your screw back through. Then put your washer. And your nut back on. Okay, so once this is tightened, you want to slip this rubber boot over the bolt. Like so. Okay, so now I want to remove the nut that is on the arm of the driver's side and put the driver's side front tire on. Slide it on like so. It'll stick out just a little bit. Come here, lady, and hold this screwdriver. Put down the tire, buddy. We're not ready for that. Put the nut inside of here. And then slide it down there. Screw it on. Side is the same thing. Remove the nut. Slide the tire on. Take the piece, put the nut in there, and turn it. Tighten it down. And there you go. There's your wheel. Okay, so then now the wheels are on, so we want to put it back. Right side up.
And I have the flag. There you go.
You got the flag. You know where the flag goes? Here you go. Put the flag on. There you go. Okay, to get to the battery, you go to where the seat is. There's two screws. One here, one here. Take those out. Okay, once the screws are out, you just lift the seat up and it pulls right out. There you go. You have this cable and this cable. Now these, you can go get the charger. Now these just snap together just like that. And it instantly is talking to us. Now, give me the charger, buddy. If we want to charge it, we have this end like this.
So I have to
And we put it into the cable that's connected to the battery.
So I have to remove the seat?
Just like so. And we plug it into the wall.
Okay.
But we're going to see if this thing has any power out of the box.
Oh,
So-
it does.
I'm going to go ahead and put that in there. Shut off the power switch. Did you see it?
Off. It's on.
Off. Go ahead and take this.
Put that away.
Set the seat down in.
You have to kind of tilt it back a little. There's little notches. And put the screwdrivers in the slot. And
Flip the switch.
Yeah, power.
That sounds pretty cool. It's like hauling butt. So you got forward and reverse.
Okay. There's a volume in case you don't like the sounds.
A volume, you can turn the sound up and down.
What's the volume?
this button. Okay, so now what we want to do is somebody who's brave.
Me?
Okay, you're holding the camera.
No. I can record. I can record first
I think
person.
it should be a lazy until he gets in there. Let me get that door for you, buddy.
You don't
Now
have to
be
shut-
careful that you don't ram stuff in the room in this big, powerful monster truck. Okay.
Let's shut the door. Now here's what. Now here, don't just give it gas and take off. Just touch the gas and let off real quick, so we can see if it'll go.
There's only this pedal.
Okay.
Get it. Look at him. Look at the camera, kid. Show him.
Does it go fast?
It's like, well,
See, you're gonna want to go ahead and you're gonna want to hold on to the steering wheel because it seems to have a little bit of power straight out of the box. So did you say that freaked you out? Okay, so we don't want to drive it in here. It's too small. We're gonna put it through the wall or something.